Hi, hello everyone, I'm Lynn. Welcome to another one of my craft tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make these pretty paper bowls. They're very easy to do. Let's get started. Okay, I'll be showing you how to make this one. This blue paper bowl. For the top part here, the measurement is 6 inches in length and the width is just 1 inch. Same with this one, the width is just 1 inch, but the length is 3.5 inches, and this one, the length is 1 inch and the width is 1/4 inch. So what you should do is fold this paper in half, and then you measure right here. I'm not sure whether you can see. Alright, mark lightly with pencil 1/2 inch, same over here, 1/2 inch, and then 1/2 inch here. Then you mark at the side. That. Not sure whether you can see clearly. Okay, 1/2 inch there, and a mark at the sides there. Right? Can you see? Half, and then there's one mark here and the other mark there, because we want to make a curved line here. Like that. Do the same thing over here. And then you cut. It's quite sharp here, so you can round it up if you like. And then you erase off the pencil marks. So that's what it looks like. And then you use a bamboo stick to curl the paper. Then put some white glue here on both sides, and you join at the center. Hold the paper for a few seconds. to make sure that it really sticks. Okay, and then take this small piece and curl this one as well. Some glue. Hold on to it for a few seconds to make sure it really sticks. Okay. Now we do the bottom part. Same thing. Fold the paper in half. Okay. And then you measure 1/2 inch. This part only 1/4 inch. And then half center. Oops. Okay, that's what it looks like. And then you cut it. And erase the paper marks. I'm sorry, the pencil marks. Erase them off. Alright, that's done. Put some glue here. That should be enough. And paste. Wait for a few seconds to make sure they stick together really well. You can curl up this part, the bottom part here. And it's done. See how easy it is? I hope you will give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!